Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our FTV English version. Viewers, for more than a century, scientists have been piecing the puzzle of human evolution, examining fossil evidence to understand the transition from our earliest ancestors to modern humans. A new study from Washington University in St. Louis, published in Communications Biology, presents compelling evidence to support the hypothesis that humans evolved from an African ape like ancestor. With this discovery, which challenges previous findings too, researchers are able to narrow the range of explanations for the origin of human lineage. In doing so, scientists are one step closer to answering one of life's greatest questions: what do we coming from? The research led by Thomas Cody Prang, assistant professor of biological anthropology in arts and science at WASU, revisit the breakthrough discovery of the 4.4 million year old Ardipithecus, nicknamed Ardi, which was discovered in 1994. Ardi is one of the oldest and most complete skeletons to ever be discovered, approximately 1 million years older than Lucy, another well-known human ancestor skeleton. Ardi represent an earlier stage of human evolution according to Frank. One of the surprises in this discovery was that Ardi walked upright, yet retained a lot of ape-like characteristics, including a grasping foot, Frank said. Apes, like chimpanzees and gorillas, have a big toe that's divergent, which allows them to grip tree branches as part of a climbing lifestyle. Yet it is also had features that align with our lineage that makes Ardipithecus a true transitional species. Researchers initially proposed that Ardi demonstrated a generalized form of locomotion rather than behavior typical of African apes, leading them to conclude that this very early human ancestors was not similar to apes after all, Frank said. That came as a big surprise to the paleoanthropology community. Based on their analysis, they concluded that living African apes like chimpanzees and gorillas are like dead ends or cul-de-sacs of evolution rather than stages to human emergence, Frank said. Instead, they thought that RD provided evidence for a more generalized ancestors that was not similar to chimps or gorillas. Amazing, sir. We in this exclusive report, FTV English, Delhi, Bharat.